We are gonna talk about some sound effects together.
We can preview sound effects and we can test them all. Don't preview sound effects that are long. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are very short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are short, which is Akari's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are long, like Candy Farts' farting sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects New Year's Eve version.